Welcome to Money Made Simple. Today we're covering what is compound interest and why it changes everything. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Imagine you put $100 in a magical savings account, and not only does it earn money, but the money it earns then starts earning more money. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. It's called compound interest, and it's the most powerful force in finance. In this video, we'll break down how it works and why it can literally change your financial future. Starting today. Think of it like this. You put $100 into a savings account that pays 5% interest per year. After 1 year, you've earned $5, so you now have $105. Simple interest would keep paying you $5 on your original $100. But with compound interest, next year you don't just earn interest on the $100. You earn it on the new total of $105. So you'd earn $5.25. $105 5%, bringing your total to $110.25. Your money is earning money on money. Action. Open a high-yield savings account today, even with $100, to start experiencing this magic. The real power of compound interest isn't just a few dollars extra. It's the snowball effect. Imagine rolling a small snowball down a hill. It picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger, rolling faster and faster. Your money does the same. Let's say you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual return. After 10 years, it could be around $1,967. After 20 years, around $3,870. After 30 years, nearly $7,612. All from that initial $1,000. Thanks to compounding. Action. Use an online compound interest calculator. Just Google it to see how a small amount you save could grow over time. This is the single most important lesson. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Let's compare two people. Sarah starts saving $100 a month at age 25. John starts saving $100 a month at age 35. If both earn 7% annually, by age 65, Sarah could have over $250,000, while John might only have around $120,000. Sarah saved for 10 extra years, but ended up with more than double the money. Time literally makes your money work harder. Action. Set up an automated transfer of any amount, even $25 from your checking to a savings or investment account today. You don't need to be rich to start. Even small, consistent contributions make a huge difference. Skipping that daily coffee for $5? That's $150 a month. Over 30 years. With a 7% return, that $150 a month could grow to over $180,000. That's the power of compounding combined with consistency. Every dollar you save and let compound is a seed planted for your financial future. Action. Find one small, regular expense you can cut this week and redirect that money into your savings account. Compound interest isn't just in magic accounts. You can find it in 1. High-yield savings accounts. Better than regular savings. These offer higher interest rates. 2. Retirement accounts. 401k, IRA, *. These are specifically designed for long-term growth and often invest in things like stocks or mutual funds which compound over time. 3. Investment accounts. Stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, *. These generally offer higher potential returns, meaning faster compounding, though they come with more risk. Remember, the longer your money stays in, the more it compounds. Action. Research high-yield savings accounts or look into opening a Roth IRA today if you haven't already. As powerful as compound interest is, it's easy to make mistakes that slow it down or stop it entirely. 1. Delaying starting. Asterisk every day you wait is a day your money isn't compounding. 2. Withdrawing early. Asterisk taking money out stops the compounding process and can set you back significantly. 3. Ignoring inflation. Asterisk while your money grows, inflation also reduces its buying power. Look for investments that outpace inflation. 4. Not investing enough. Asterisk while small amounts are great, try to increase your contributions as your income grows. Action. Commit to reviewing your savings goal every 6 months to see if you can increase your contributions, even by a small amount. So, remember, compound interest is your money earning money on itself. The key is to start early, be consistent, and let time do its magic. Even small amounts can grow into substantial wealth over decades. Don't wait, your financial future is waiting for you to take action today. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. That's everything for today's video on what is compound interest and why it changes everything. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. New finance tips every week on Money Made Simple.